everybody, Juliana here. Today I'll start a series of episodes called Make It at Home. You know when you go to a store or your favorite treat place and you wish you could make that delicious treat yourself? So now you can. I'm not saying don't buy them, but let's be honest, making them from scratch tastes way better and is also additive free. I'll be choosing the most amazing treats that everybody's crazy about, and I will show you how to make them at home. And today I'll be making homemade marshmallows. Spray the pan with oil. Cut 2 pieces of parchment paper a little bigger than your pan, so you can hold on it when it's time to remove the marshmallows from the pan. Spray all the tools you'll be using after for getting your marshmallows out of the bowl and spreading. Mix half a cup of potato or corn starch and 3/4 cup of icing sugar and set aside. Make your life easier and try to have the pot and mixer very close. Also, all the tools you will need later. Add 118 grams of water into your mixing bowl and sprinkle 30 grams of gelatin over top. Let it set for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, you can start to prepare the sugar syrup. In a medium pot, add 118 grams of water, 100 grams of corn syrup, 440 grams of sugar. Pour the sugar in the middle of the pan. Don't let the sugar touch the sides of the pan. And 2 grams of salt. Use a brush of water to clean the sides of the pot if you need it, but never stir the pot. And also get the thermometer ready. Boil until it reaches 240 Fahrenheit or 115 Celsius, about 6 to 8 minutes. In the mixing bowl, mix the gelatin a little bit just to break it. Pour the syrup into the mixing bowl slowly, over slow speed. Try to not get it on the sides of the bowl. When it's all in, gradually bring to the high speed and mix until you get a firm texture. It will be 10 to 12 minutes. Halfway through mixing, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you don't have vanilla paste, add a half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. When it's ready, spread it all over the tray as quick as you can and smooth out the top. Dust the sugar mix over the marshmallow and save the rest for later. Cover and let it set for 12 hours. Overnight is perfect. After it's set, dust your station with the starch and sugar mix. Oil and dust a chef's knife. Remove the marshmallow from the tray. Dust all over again. Cut into strips and cubes. It's very sticky, so if you need it, dust your knife again. Dust it again and toss over a strainer to clean the excess, or just use your hands. Cut in little cubes to use it for drinks and desserts. If you want to cover the marshmallows with some chocolate, use some tempered chocolate. Put the marshmallows into the freezer for about 10 minutes. Melt dark chocolate into the microwave to 40–45 Celsius. Cool to 34–35 Celsius and add cocoa butter. Add 1% of your overall weight of chocolate. Bring to 30 degrees and use it for covering the marshmallows. Marshmallows are perfect for outdoor campfires, but if you're stuck inside, you can cook your marshmallows using a torch. Or if you don't have one, put them into the oven or broil for 40 seconds. Just be careful, it's very fast. Eat them right off the stick, or make s'mores with them. Homemade marshmallows are so good, the texture is so much better, they melt in your mouth. There is no way to enjoy your campfire, s'mores, or just a cup of hot chocolate better than with a homemade marshmallow. So this was the first episode of Make It at Home. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to drop a like, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.